रजोजुषे जन्मनि सत्त्ववृत्तये स्थितौ प्रजानां प्रलये तमस्पृशे अजाय सर्गस्थितिनाशहेतवे त्रयीमयाय त्रिगुणात्मने नमः. Aparetu. We have to start from this, I think. We finished with this. Evam vidhaya apicha anaya duracharya. Aduradarshinaha papena iva adbhatamurtayaha bhavanti tadavasthaha cha vyasana shata sharavyatam upagataha valmikatrina Trishnana. I forgot to make that correction. Trina agra avasthitaha jalabindavaha iva patitam api atmanam na avagachanti. So this is about people who are completely taken over daiva vashena. When they are taken over by Lakshmi, or they come under the influence of the bad influence of wealth, or the flip side of wealth that we say. So then they don't realize, even if they have fallen down to the depths of narakam or something, papam, they don't realize that they have fallen down. They are down the adharma path here. Aparetu swartha nishpadana paraihi dhana pishita grasa gridhraihi asthana nalinibakaihi dyutam vinodaiva. Now where this goes and connects is sarvajanasya apahasyatam upayanti aparetu. Now he is talking about another set of people who, one is they themselves are in the earlier paragraph we saw that some of them behave like this, some of them are after money, etc., etc. There is another set of people who are constantly they are being prataryamanaha, they are being cheated by stotram, by the sycophants who are all surrounding them. So pratarana kushalaihi dhurtaihi amanusha uchitabihi stutibihi prataryamanaha sarvajana apahasyatam upayanti. That is where the connection comes in. So aparetu, other kings, they become an object of ridicule. Sarva jana apahasyata. Apahasyaha apahasitum yogyaha bhavati, or apahasyatam upayati. He goes to the state of being ridiculed by everybody. These are another set of kings. Why? Because they are being cheated by a set of people who are sycophants. Sycophants are flatterers. They are surrounding them and they want to take whatever little bit of wealth they can. The karakkardimba, just like how they are milking a cow, in the same manner they will also stand near them and try to take whatever they can. So swartha nishpadana paraihi dhurtaihi. So the whole thing goes to dhurta, anything in tritiya vibhakti bahuvachanam. So, swartha nishpadana paraihi dhurtaihi. Dhurta is a bad person, wicked person. Dushtaihi, who are paraha, who are constantly involved in trying to achieve their selfish goal. Swartham eva nishpadayitum samarthaha na tatraiva vyagraha santi. Paraha. So, swartha nishpadana paraihi dhurtaihi, by wicked people who want to achieve their own ends. Dhana pishita grasa gridhraihi. They are like vultures who are just waiting to grasp even a little bit of meat. A vulture is always constantly hovering around to see if it can get any sort of a prey. And it can, even if a little bit of meat, it will just swoop down and take it. The same way, these wicked people who are surrounding the kings, the sycophants who are all surrounding the kings, they are just waiting to grab even a little bit of money, which is like the meat that a vulture waits for. So, dhanam eva pishitam, tasya grasam. Grasam is kavalam. Tasmin grase, tasmin gridhraha. So they are like vultures they are like vultures in the matter of grasping or taking, kavalam, in trying to in trying to get even a little morsel of meat, that is money in the like meat, which they treat like meat. like how vultures treat a meat, the same way these people are also looking for some juicy wealth from the kings. Asthana nalini bakaihi. Asthana sabhayam nalini bakaihi. So imagine there is a pond there and there are many, it is a nalini, it is a lotus plant that is there, and there are stalks which are cranes which are all just standing there, nischalam, they are just waiting there for the right opportunity to grab a fish. So in the same way, these people are also in the Asthana Mandapam. Asthana Mandapam here is the court, darbar. They're also constantly standing in that, the ottakalla nikkardum ralya, bakaha, an aquatic animal, bird is standing on its one leg, waiting. The fish will just start coming near it, thinking that it is a danda and it is nischalam. So it will think that it is a safe place, and as soon as the fish comes in, it will just swoop and take the fish. So tatha bakaiva, like a crane or a some bird, aquatic bird, heron. Like a heron, which is standing in a nalini, in a lotus pond. This Asthana Mandapam is like the lotus pond for these people who are like the cranes. Okay, so Asthana nalini bakaihi dhurtaihi prataryamanaha. So they are being cheated by amanusha uchitabihi sthutibihi. I have still not gotten to this section here. We'll come to that. So they are being prataryamanaha, cheated by a lot of stotras, which is amanusha uchitabihi, which is fit only for a daivam, not for humans. So they keep praising them with many things. Now, how do they cheat? That is where the earlier section comes in. They cheat them by saying, there are so many different vyasanam, different bad habits that are there, and all of those bad habits, they try to superimpose gunam on those bad habits. They try to superimpose a good quality onto the bad actions and try to cheat them in that manner. So the Anvaya here is adhyaropayadbihi doshanapi gunapakshe adhyaropayadbihi. So they doshanapi, even the doshas, all the bad qualities, all the mistakes in life that you can make, they try to adhyaropayadbihi, they try to superimpose it onto the gunapaksham, saying that it is a good quality. Now what do? Dyutam vinodaha iti. No, Dyutam is not a bad habit. Dyutam is gambling. No? It is an entertainment. Panam vilasaha. Drinking alcohol is another kind of entertainment. Whiling away your time. It's a vilasa. Pramattata, being very arrogant, is a show of shauryam, bravery. Pramattata eva shauryam iti. So each one is a bad quality that has now been put into the basket of good qualities. Guruvachana avadhiranam apara pranayatvam. Guruvacha avadhiranam, not listening to the not listening to the Guru's words. Avahelanam, avadhiranam is most like not
disregarding.
Upeksha, disregard. Disregarding the words of the Guru is equal to apara pranayatvam. That is, you are being led by another person. Apara vashyatvam iti. Sorry, avadhirana. Parapranayatvam. Sorry. You can split it in that manner. You are not being led by another person. Parapranayatvam na vidyate ityartha. If you listen to the Guru's words, it means you are dependent on another person. So, not disregarding the Guru's words means you are not being led by others unnecessarily. Swachandata, acting according to one's own wish, is prabhutvam, is showing your supremacy, sovereignty. Swachandata.
The apara pranayatvam is actually like people say, use your own mind, don't use I mean, they try to make virtue out of it,
Yes.
but actually not listening to good advice.
Not listening to good advice, exactly. Na parapranayatvam. Anyway.
And the one that you said before, which is the dosheshu guna aropanam, is the exact opposite of the dictionary meaning for asuya, which is guneshu dosha aropanam.
Gunesh, ama. Correct. Swachandata prabhutvam, acting according to one's own wish, is a show of power. Taralata utsahaha, chanchalata, being fickle, is actually showing utsaham, showing an enthusiasm. You are so enthusiastic about doing different things. So taralata, fickle-mindedness, is not at all the dosha. It is actually a show of your utsaha, passion. Iti doshanapi gunapaksham aropayadbhihi. Actually, this quality of aropanam, if it is a dosha, you put it in the gunapaksham, Kavi Prakashatla varum, where you think description of certain things are dosha, but if you say use of harsh letters is bad, it is a dosha, but the use of harsh letters is actually a gunam if the underlying rasam is raudra rasam or veera rasam, something like that. So antasvayamapi vihasadbihi. So as they say all of these things, they don't believe in it. The bad people are very clear that they are cheating the other person. So they antaha swayamapi vihasadbihi. They are actually humiliating the other person. They are laughing at this person. See, I am saying something and this person is actually believing whatever I am saying. So they are antaha swayamapi vihasadbihi. They are laughing at these kings. Tadrisha pratarana kushalaihi dhurtaihi. By such wicked people who are clever in cheating others. Amanusha uchitabihi stutibihi prataryamanaha apare rajanaha. It connects here. So other kings are being cheated by stotras which are amanusha uchitabihi, which are appropriate not for a human, but they are more appropriate for devata. So prarabdha divya uchita cheshta anubhavaha. So because they are being flattered in this manner, they listen to this flattery constantly. They start behaving. Anubhava is they start showing gestures. Anubhava, which are cheshta anubhavaha, which the actions and gestures which are uchitam, which are fit for a divya purusha. They start showing all of those things. Sarvajanasya upahasyatam upayanti. They become an object of ridicule for everybody around them. So what are all the divya cheshta anubhavaha that prarabdhaha taihi? Those anubhavas are darshana pradhanamapi anugraham ganayanti. If they just see someone, they think they are gracing them with their darshanam. Like a divya purusha. Darshana pradhanamapi anugraham ganayanti. Drishtipatam upakara pakshe. So darshana pradhanam is just showing themselves, presenting themselves itself is an anugraham for everybody. It is a blessing for everybody. If their eyesight falls on someone, drishtipatam upakara pakshe, I am doing a favor by just glancing at you. Iti chintayanti. Upakara pakshe sthapayanti. They place a mere eyesight in the paksham of upakara. That is there, I'm doing you a favor. Iti. Sparshamapi pavanam akalayanti. They think that even sparsha, even touching is pavanam. I'm purifying you by my touch. Iti chintayanti. Tadevam praye. That's the one? Oh, original la dhaan idella irukka. Okay. Huh. Oh, it's here. Yes, it's here. Mithya mahatmya na paadila irundhu eduthirken inga. Edo mix up pannirken slides. That's fine. Mithya mahatmya garva nirbharaha cha na pranamanti devatabhyaha na abhivadayanti abhivadana arhan na abhyuttishtanti gurun. mithya mahatmyam. They superimpose a greatness, or they think they have an illusory greatness. The greatness is not present there, but they falsely attribute a greatness towards themselves, and they have an arrogance because of that. So mithya mahatmya vashena garvaha vartate tesham tena garvena nirbharaha puritaha. They are completely filled with an arrogance owing to a greatness that is falsely attributed towards them. Na pranamanti devatabhyah. They do not do a namaskaram towards the devatas. Vena was like that. Prithu Maharaja, he is an avatara of Vishnu. Prithu Maharaja. His father was Vena, who was just this. He thought he was God himself, and he told everybody not to perform any yajna or give bali to the devas. He said, I am the devata. Sarvadeva mayo nripaha. The amsha of all of the lokapalakas are present in me, so give the bali to me. Na pranamanti devatabhyah. He will not do a namaskar. They don't bow to the devatas. Na abhivadayanti abhivadana arhan. Those who deserve an abhivadanam, those who deserve to be bowed down to, these kings do not show them that respect. Na abhyuttishtanti gurun. Abhimukhi kritya uttishtanti. So abhyuttishtanti is always abhyutthanam. Abhyutthanam adharmasya சொல்றோம் இல்லையா. Abhyutthanam is usually you go towards, you get up as looking towards them. Someone is coming, you don't get up and go inside. You get up and go towards them. So that is a show of respect here. So abhyuttishtanti gurun. They don't face the gurus here. Na abhyuttishtanti. Jara vaiklavya pralapitam iti pashyanti vriddhajana upadesham. Vriddhajananam upadesham. The advice of old people, they think they're just blabbering something or the other. They behave like children. They behave like teenagers. Jara vaiklavya pralapitam iti. They are blabbering something because of buddhi vaiklavyam. The unsteady mind owing to old age. Jara karanat tatra vaiklavyam jatam buddhehe tasmat pralapanti iti vriddhajananam upadesham evam pashyanti. Atma prajna paribhavaha iti asuyanti sachiva upadeshaya. You said, right? Gunapakshe gunanapi doshapakshe aropayanti. So sachiva upadeshaya asuyanti. Asuya comes with the krudha druha irshya lavardu asuyanti. So the fourth case. So they are envious of the advice that comes from Sachiva, from their minister, thinking that it is an insult to their own intellect. Atma prajna paribhavaha iti. We encounter many people like this in our life at every point. Shukanasa said this before. We have to mentally prepare ourselves. It's not possible to change them.
So Sachiva nama friend, right? Sachiva is friend.
Sachivaha mantri.
Okay, mantri. So the mantri's upadesha is this asuyanti nama they
Yam prati asuya tattu chaturthi vibhakti.
So
tasya padasya chaturthi vibhakti.
Okay, so the well-meaning advice is treated as if it is criticism and the Maria.
It is an insult to my intellect.
Oh, insult.
எனக்கு தெரியாதுன்னு நீ எனக்கு அட்வைஸ் பண்ண வந்துட்டியா அப்படிங்கறா.
என்ன ஓகே எனக்கு நீ யார் எனக்கு அட்வைஸ் பண்றதுக்கு அப்படி.
அதேதான். குப்யந்தி ஹிதவாதினே. They become angry to a person who is saying ஓன் நல்லதுக்கு தானே நான் அட்வைஸ் பண்றேன்பா. I'm only talking for your benefit. Iti yaha vadati hitavadine kupyanti. Immediately they get angry towards them. This is also in fourth case. Sarvatha tam abhinandanti tam parshve kurvanti tam bahumanyante tam aptatam apadayanti yaha aharnisham anavaratam uparachita anjalihi adhidaivatam iva vigata anyakaryaha stauti yova mahatmyam udbhavayati. So the old people are not respected. Mantri vanda, anybody talks about the benefit, that also we don't need them. Gurujanaha tu tatra garhitaha eva tarhi kam parshve sthapayanti. Yaha, go from the back here. So yaha aharnisham, day and night, anavaratam, all the time, uparachita anjalihi, with his folded hands, adhidaivatam iva, like a subordinate devata, like a Dwarapalaka. There are a principal deity would be there, and there will be other smaller deities who are attending to their needs. So adhidaivatam iva uparachita anjalihi vigata anyakaryaha kartabhyaha. He does not do any other work. Without any other work, yaha stauti, constantly he is only doing stotram to this king. Yova mahatmyam udbhavayati, or someone who is trying to impose one mahatmyam, that is, he is trying to superimpose and say that, oh, you are great, flatterer. Stammeva sarvatha abhinandanti, they only praise that person who is constantly flattering. Tam parshve kurvanti, he keeps only this flatterer near him. These kings tam eva bahumanyante, they only honor that person. Tam aptatam apadayanti, they only think of such a person, such a flatterer, as the most trustworthy person. Aptaha, friend. Aptatam apadayanti, they think of him as trustworthy. Or they attribute a trustworthiness to that person. அப்படி வரணும். ததா பாவவாச்சல ததேவம் பிராயே ராஜ்யதந்திரே. Now he comes to the conclusion part of the advice. Evam praye rajatantre, when politics or the kingdom, rajyatantram, the politics involved in taking care of the kingdom is in this manner. People, you will be surrounded by sycophants, people who have Lakshmi, wealth on one side, people who want to extract things from you. You are also in that youth, you won't be able to listen to advice. So there's so many pitfalls of ruling a kingdom. When such is politics, asmin mahamoha karinicha yavvane, and when yavvanam is such a mohakarini, that is, it creates such a delusion in people. When yavvanam is like this for you, not for you in the sense, yavvanam has this attitude, has this quality with it, and rajyam is also in this manner. And right now you are poised between these two. You are going to get the rajyam, and you are also in your yavvanam. He Kumara, tatha prayatethaha yatha na upahasyase janaihi tatha prayatethaha. You have to make an effort in such a manner that janaihi na upahasyase, you will not be ridiculed by the people. Na upalabhyase suhridbihi, you should not be criticized by your friends. Upalambha nama criticize. Na prataryase vishayaihi, you should not be cheated by the objects of the world. Na vikrishyase ragena, act in such a manner that you are not pulled by passion in this world. Na apahriyase sukhena, nor are you devoid of, no, you are not, nor are you pulled by the small happiness that you get in this world. Chitranbangalmo. Sukham is not the ultimate sukham that he's saying, but you should not be completely removed from sukham. Sukhena virahitaha ma bhuhu. Kamam bhavan prakritya dhiraha. No, I accept.
Upalabhyase, what is the meaning?
Criticize.
Nopalabhyase. Okay.
Criticize. So upalambha nama abuse or திட்டுறதுன்னு சொல்றோம் இல்லையா? They are angry and they criticize you. Why are you behaving like this? That is, Suhrit is a person who will always scold you. So ensure that you are not scolded by your friends.
And and when you look at Ragena, it's clear. What about Sukena? Upahriya means what is the dhatu there?
அபாஹ்ரியசே இல்ல
Apahar.
Apahara, like
Like you're not snatched by the comforts.
so the hri dhatu in passive.
பாசிவ் அல்ல பாசிவ் ஆமா பாசிவ் எஸ் கர்மணி கர்த்தரி சொல்லியே இப்ப எனக்கு ஆக்டிவ் பாசிவ் மறந்து போயிடுது எஸ்
Okay, got it.
யா காமம் பவான் காமம் காமம் இत्युक्ते நூனம் டெஃபினெட்லி ஐ அக்செப்ட் தட் பவான் பிரகிருத்யைவ தீரः யூ ஆர் எ பர்சன் ஹூ இஸ் வெரி ஸ்ட்ராங் இன் யோர் தீரः இஸ் ஆக்சுவலி மென்டல் ஸ்ட்ரென்த் இல்லையா ஸ்திததீர் முனிருச்சியதேங்கிறச்சு அந்த இடத்துல தீரः ஸோ எ பர்சன் ஹூ டசன்ட் கெட் tempted by either sukham or dukkham, who maintains equanimity, is a person who is dhira. I accept that by nature you are a dhira, but pitracha mahata yatnena samaropita samskaraha. Not only are you by nature a very strong person mentally, but your father has also given you this samskara, which will naturally have its own effect in your attitude also. So mahata yatnena, with a great effort, pitra, by your father, tvam samaropita samskaraha asi, you are a person for whom samskara has been given. Samaropitaha samskaraha yasmin saha or yasya saha. Tharala hridayam apratibuddham cha madayanti dhanani. Only when a person has tharala hridayam, when his mind is chanchalam, only a fickle minded person, or apratibuddham, one who is not aware of what is happening around him. Pratibuddha is a person who is vidwan, right? Only he would be attracted by the wealth here. So tharala hridayam chanchala manaha yasya vartate अपि च अप्रतिबुद्धः प्रतिबुद्ध बोधः नाम विवेकज्ञानं. One who does not know which is uchitam, which is anuchitam, that kind of a discrimination yasya na vidyate tam eva dhanani madayanti. Wealth will influence only a person who is like this. Tathapi भवद्गुण संतोषः माम एवं मुखरीकृतवान्. भवद्गुण संतोषः. Then why are you talking, Kepal? But it's the qualities that are there in you. You know, the depth of quality, the dhiratvam that is there in you. I am very happy to see the good qualities that are there in you, and that happiness is making me talk. Mukhari karoti, mukharaha na, making me noisy, adhaadu making me garrulous. Mukhari kritavan. Kaha santoshaha becomes the kartripadam here. Santoshaha mam mukhari karoti kritavan. Idameva punah punaha abhidiyase. I am, this is the only thing that I am going to tell you again and again. Vidvamsamapi dhiramapi abhijatamapi purusham yam durvinita khali karoti lakshmihi iti. This is the only thing that I can tell you again and again, which is, even if you are a scholar, vidvamsamapi, even a scholar, dhiramapi, even if he is a person with mental strength, high mental strength, abhijatamapi, even if he is born in a good lineage, tam purusham khali karoti, lakshmi durvinita, one who leads people astray. That Lakshmi will make even a scholar, a person with fortitude, a person who is with good lineage, she makes him into a bad person. Khalaha khalam akhalam khalam karoti. By nature, he may not be a khala, not be a dushtaha. Adushtam dushtam karoti eva. Because of that influence. Sarvatha kalyanaihi पित्रा क्रियमाणम अनुभवतु भवान नव यौवराज्य अभिषेक मंगलम और नव यौवन राज्यमु irukkalam. There is another reading also here. Okay, but nava yauvarajyam is better. Yuvaraja yauvananu innor idu irukku. There is another reading. Okay, So, anubhavatu bhavan navayauvarajyabhisheka mangalam sarvatha kalyanaihi. Always sarvatha sarva prakarena along with good auspicious things kalyanaihi vastubihi saha pitra kriyamanam rajyabhisheka mangalam. You enjoy the ritual of coronation which is being done by your father using many auspicious things. Mangala vastubihi saha yat mangalabhishekam kriyamanam vartate tat tam kriyam anubhavatu. So kulakrama agatam udvaha purva purushaihi udham dhuram. Purva purushaihi udham kulakrama agatam dhuram udvaha. Dhuhu is the yoke and lakshanaya we take it as bharaha. So rajya bharam udvaha, you have to bear the weight of this, the responsibility of this kingdom which has been carried by your ancestors. Purva purushaihi udham vaha dhatoho kta pratyaha, like gudha paatolya adhe madri udha vaha dhatoho. That responsibility, that bharam which has been borne by your ancestors, purva purushaihi udham dhuram, and it is also come kulakrama agatam. It is come to you by hereditary. Tat udvaha, you have to bear the responsibility. Now it's your turn. Avanamaya dvisham shiramsi. Avanamaya, ensure that your enemies' heads are all bowed down. Nijantam, yeah. You make sure that you make the enemies' heads bow down to you. Avanamaya. Unnamaya, you uplift your bandhu vargam, uplift your relatives. Abhishekanantaram cha prarabdha digvijayaha. So after this Yuvaraja Abhishekam, you start digvijaya. Prarabdhaha digvijayaha yena saha tadrishaha bhutva tvam. So you start your digvijaya, that is victory. You take a victory march around the entire world. Paribhraman, as you roam around the bhumi, vijitam api taba pitra saptadvipa bhushanam punaha vijayasva vasundharam. Even though this bhumi has been won over by your father, this bhumi vasundhara, which is bhushana, which has the 7 islands as its bhushanam, as its ornament, which has been won over by your father. Pitra, tava pitra vijitamapi, even though Tarapida, your father, has conquered this entire earth with its, which has the 7 islands as its ornament, you go and punaha vijayasva. Other, it is like re-establishing your authority over the 7 islands. You have to do that after the Abhishekam. Arudha pratapaha hi raja त्रैलोक्यदर्शी इव सिद्धादेशः भवति इति एतावत् अभिधाय उपशशाम. आरूढ़ प्रतापः, only a king who has a pratapam which is arudha. Arudha ityukte that he has shatrukal mele yetti vekkappattadu nu artham. One whose pratapam, one whose bravery has been shown towards the enemies. Only after showing it to the enemies, a raja, a king's orders, siddhadeshaha bhavati, his adesha becomes successful. Only if he has gone and established, anybody who enters into an office, newly appointed manager, let's say, who is coming from an outside company, what he has to do, he has to go to every department and conduct meetings with them, each project, conduct meetings with each level of people, right? Just to show your face, I have taken responsibility, now I am your new manager, iti. Tatha. The king also should do that. So, Arudha Pratapaha, only when he has shown his face to shown his bravery to all of the other kings, his orders will be Siddha Adesha. Otherwise, nobody is going to follow him. Nobody will know his face. So, Siddha Adeshaha Bhavati. Katham iva, kaha iva ityukte, Trailokya Darshi iva. Trailokya Darshi. त्रिलोक द्रष्टा योगी कश्चन योगी वर्तते यस्य त्रैलोक्यमपि योगच प्रत्यक्षेण त्रैलोक्यं सः पश्यति. Then he whatever he says becomes successful. That is, it is fruitful. Any advice or any words that come out of a yogi who is capable of seeing all three worlds, तादृश योगी इव सः राजा भवति इति उक्त्वा एतावद् अभिधाय उक्त्वा उपशशाम. he kept quiet. இதோட ஓவரா இல்ல பிரக்ஷாலித இவ அதெல்லாம் இருக்கா? இல்ல
That's it.
that's it. Okay, because after this he will feel like he has been completely abhishikta iva swachchikritah iva saha gatah iti. Okay, sure.